Student, as you will see in this table, the number of 0 with with the number 6 are going on increasing as we go down. So first of all you will see there is no 0 and there is 1 0 2 0. So it become the which period? This is a ones period. After that zeros are increasing, it's become 1000 period. This is 6000 and 60,000, and this is 6 lakh and this is 60 lakh. After that 6 crore and 60 crore. But what after that? After that you don't know the table in the Hindu-Arabic system up to your level. So if you are being given the number in this type of form where the so many zeros are there present in the number with a digit, then how will you represent that number in some other way? Okay, because if you write the number in this type of form, then it is looking absurd. Okay, so you will see in the last here how many zero there are. If you see it carefully, then there are 12 zero, and in this number there are 22 zeros. So when the number is before you in this type of form, then you will say that this is the standard form of a number, and the way you have to write it in a shortest way, that is called scientific notation. So we feel a need to write these type of expanded number, not expanded but huge number, those are ending with the so many zeros on the rightmost end, to the simplest form or some other form where it consumes less space in written work, is called scientific notation. Clear? So I will start from here, from the first red tick. Here the single digit is 6 and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 zeros are there. So I will write it in the shortest way in this type, that it can be written as 6 multiply 10. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 10 power 9, 10 to the power 9. This form is very shortest form. In the same way we go on with this tick. So how many zeros are there? If you count, then these are 10 in counting. So 10 is coming 10 times, and here 6, 10 is coming 11 times, and here how many zeros are there? 12 zero. Therefore I will write in this form. Okay, now in writing the blue ink number in the red mark ink is called the scientific notation. Clear beta? Now you will see here that in this number 22 zeros are there. So I will write this like in the way 6 multiply 10 to power 20. So this form representation of a number that is written in this form is called the scientific notation. Clear? This is not applicable just only with a single digit. Now I will give you some different example where at place of 6 there are 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, or any type of digit with the ending with the so many zeros on the rightmost end. So get ready. Now you will see this is 54, this is a 2-digit number, this is 786, a 3-digit number, and this is 9473, that is 4-digit number. I will take this example only just to make the concept of understanding to this topic. Now how will you write this as per we have done in the earlier page? 54 multiply, how many zeros are there? If you count, then these are 17 zeros. Therefore I will write like this, and 786 multiply 10. How many zeros are there? I have counted, there is a 20 zeros. You will see carefully, and here you will write 9473 multiply 10 to power 24. Now what is the difference? This is the standard form? Not. This is not the standard form. In order to make it standard form, we will have to make this number just like 54 or 786 or 9473 under the 10. Okay, it should not be greater than 10. Clear? So how will you make 54 less than 10? What is the way you are having to make it less than 10? How will you reduce this? And also you have not to change the value of the given expression. So what is this 54? This is 54, and how can it become less than 10? If you divide it by 10 and multiply by 10, then there is no change in the number, because if you cut 10 by 10, then it is become 54. So please understand this thing. Now how will you represent this now? You will represent this 5.4 multiply 10 to the power 1. Clear? In the same way, if you write 786, then you can write 786 divided by 100 multiply by 100. Then how will you represent this? You will represent this 7.86 multiply 10 power 2. Clear? Because two zeros are here, therefore you will count from the right and place the decimal after 2 digits. Clear? Now similarly 9473. Now 9473, and you have to make this number less than 10. This is to make it less than 10, you will divide it by 1000. Okay, so it can be represented as this 9.743 10 cube. Clear? Now here you will see, now 54, the value of 54 can be written as this 5.4 multiplied 10 to 1, and also 10 to 17 is multiplied with this. So we can write it 5.4, here the 10 power 1 and 10 power 17, therefore we will add the power as the bases are same, therefore this is my answer. This is the called the scientific notation. In the same way I will do this 786 multiply, this can be written as 10 square, and it is here 1020. So you will write it 7.86 multiply 10, 20 plus 2, that is 22. This is the required answer in the scientific notation. Now here this is 9473. What is the value of 9473? 9473 is actually 9.473 multiply 10 cube. 9.473 multiply 10 cube, and it is also multiplied with 10 to 24. So you will write 9.473 multiply 10. Bases are same, the powers will be added. 24 plus 3, that is 27. Now student, this form is called standard form and this form is called scientific notation. Clear? As you will see that in this question, why we didn't convert this into the decimal, because 6 is a number that is greater than 1 and less than 10. So we need not to write in the decimal form. Okay. Here 54 was greater than 10. So we convert it 5.4. 5.4 is a number that is greater than 10 and that is greater than 1 and less than 10. Here 7.86 is also less than 10 but greater than 1, and 9.473 is also less than 10 and greater than 1. So as per our video, we have done this question now and all these questions, and we have to learn that what is the scientific notation and standard form. So with all these derivation, we come to know the define how to scientific notation can be defined in this form. Scientific notation is a product of two factors where one is lying between 1 and 10 and the other is in the form of 10 to n. You will see here 5.4 multiply 10 to power 18. This is the scientific notation, and this both are scientific notation. Also, this is a scientific notation. So you will see 6 is less than 10 and greater than 1, and 10 to 20, that is the form of 10 to n. Clear? Now here 5.4 is greater than 1 but less than 10, and it is 10 to 18. So this satisfies the definition of the scientific notation. Here 9.473 is less than 10 and this is 10 to 27. Similarly 7.86 is also less than 10, greater than 1, and this is 10 to 20. So this completes our definition of the standard form and the scientific notation. Thank you.